How to enroll personnel. Navigate to the Personnel tab and click Add. Enter a unique personnel number up to 9 digits long. To enroll a card, click Card Number Internal, then enter the number printed on the card into the text field. To enroll a password, enter a 4 to 6 digit number in the password text field. Select the Personnel's department from the Department drop-down menu. To enroll a fingerprint, click Register, select a finger, press your finger to the enrollment reader 3 times when prompted, and press OK. In Access Control Settings, click the checkbox next to the access level you want to assign the personnel to. After filling in any additional information, click OK to save and complete.